Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change oil Toyota Rav4 2010 full guide. Park on level ground, engage the parking brake, and let the engine cool for 10 minutes. Gather oil, a new filter, a wrench, drain pan, jack or ramps, and gloves. I will explain draining the old oil, replacing the filter, torquing the drain plug to spec, refilling with the correct oil amount, and checking the level at idle. Warm oil drains easier, so run the engine briefly, then shut it off and wait a few minutes. Secure the vehicle on ramps or jack stands and locate the oil drain plug under the engine. Position your drain pan, then carefully loosen and remove the plug while protecting hands and eyes. Allow all the oil to drain and inspect the plug and gasket for wear before reinstallation. If you found this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content. Quick recommendation. Little Tree's Black Ice is perfect for making your car smell great after an oily job, and it fits conveniently on the rearview mirror. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab one for touch-ups between services. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. When the oil has drained, remove the old filter and let it drain into the pan. Prepare the new filter by smearing a thin layer of fresh oil on the gasket and thread it on hand tight. Reinstall the drain plug with its gasket and torque to spec. Refill the engine with the correct oil type and capacity, start briefly, then check the dipstick, and for leaks around the filter and plug.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.